have cooked an exciting rice recipe that I cannot wait to unveil to you. Hi everyone, سلام، حالتون چطوره؟ It means how are you in Farsi language. I'm Rosina and welcome back to this channel. So today we are going to make Iranian sumac rice. Sumac is a kind of beautiful spice. Sumac comes from the Arabic Somagh, which means dark red. This wine-colored ground spice is one of the most useful but least known and most underappreciated. Made from dried berry, sumac holds a special place in Persian cuisine and Middle Eastern cooking. Sumac is adding a unique blend of tartness, earthiness, and citrusy flavor to a wide range of dishes. In Iran, we use sumac for rice, salads, kebabs, grilled meats, fish, vegetables, and dip. So, my friends, you have to try this tasty red sumac in your food recipes. Sumac is a game changer and you can use it easy. For example, sprinkle a little bit of sumac over your cooked rice for steak or for making a beautiful topping for your salads. Please remember subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started today with ingredients. For making sumac rice, we'll need 3 cups of long grain white rice, 2 tablespoons sumac powder and half a cup of beetroot juice. And for making meatballs, you will need 500 gram ground beef, 2 large onions, 1 bell pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, cherry tomatoes, breadcrumbs. Panko breadcrumbs work best in meatballs, but you're welcome to use any type of breadcrumbs. 1 tablespoon steamed saffron and dry seasonings, a simple mix of salt, pepper and turmeric. For making sumac rice, in a pot with 12 cups of cold water, add 1 tablespoon salt and bring it to a boil. Then add 3 cups of washed Basmati rice and cook it for 7-8 minutes until parboiled. Then use a colander, drain and rinse the rice. Now add 2 tablespoons red sumac powder to the parboiled rice. Additionally, pour in half a cup of beetroot juice for adding more beautiful red color to our sumac rice. Gently mix rice with sumac and beetroot juice. Yes, exactly like this. Perfect. Okay, now add 3 tablespoons vegetable oil to the pot and transfer colored rice into the pot. Place a heat diffuser. It can be used to prevent hot spots in a pan. And put pieces of butter top of the rice, cover the pot and cook it for 20-25 minutes on medium-low heat. While rice is cooking, I'm going to make meatballs. For making meatballs, 500 gram ground beef goes into the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons breadcrumbs, season the mixture with 1 tablespoon sumac, half a teaspoon turmeric, salt and pepper to taste. You will need 1 large onion, finely grated and squeezed to get rid of juice. Just like that. Perfect. Add saffron water to onion juice and mix together. And keep this in the fridge to chill before shaping meatballs. Add grated onion, grated 2 cloves of garlic and mix until well combined. The best way to mix is using your hands and combine the ingredients for your meatballs using your fingers. Make sure don't overmix. Now this goes to refrigerator to chill for about an hour. Chilling the meatball mixture before shaping can help them hold their shape. Now I'm going to start out by portioning meatballs. You can use an ice cream scoop, but I prefer to do traditional way. I mean, I use my hands and shape it into a ball. So keep a small bowl of cold mixture of onion juice with saffron water next to you and wet your hand before rolling each meatball to prevent the mixture from sticking to your hands, and plus this juice add more flavor to meatballs. Now all the meatballs are formed and we are ready to cook them. Now slice second onion into strips. I have a large non-stick saute pan. over medium-high heat with 3 tablespoons olive oil. Now I'm going to add a sliced onion and fry it until golden brown. And then transfer the golden brown onions from the pan to a plate to rest. Now it's time to add meatballs to the same pan that you fried onions earlier. And cook them on medium heat, and you can add more oil if needed. Of course, you can cook meatball in the oven or stove, but I love to saute meatballs in pan because it creates a beautiful golden brown crust. And don't forget turning frequently until they are no longer pink inside. It should take about 8-10 minutes to fry them, and they are beautifully done. To me, this is the best way to make tender skillet meatballs that are a bit crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. And I use a splatter screen. It helps to keep my stovetop cleaner. You can put these meatballs in gravy or serve them over mashed potatoes or spaghetti. And also, as you will see at the end of the video, you can serve them over rice for a lovely dinner or serve them as an appetizer. You can also freeze them. Just allow meatballs to come to room temperature after cooking and then transfer them to a freezer bag and freeze for about 3 months. When the meatballs are cooked, I transfer them to a platter. These are my favorite meatballs, and believe me guys, they're exactly what you should make for your next dinner party. I just cut one of these beautiful meatballs in half and taste it. Oh, look at that. They are just so juicy and tempting. You can make these meatballs ahead. They are freezer friendly and very easy to make. And finally, add chopped bell pepper to the pan and fry for 2-3 minutes. Then add in meatballs, fried onions, and cherry tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper. Pour half a cup of water. Gently give a stir and cover it with a splatter screen and cook it on low heat for 10 minutes. They look fantastic. Believe me guys, you will love these meatballs. And here is our final result. Our beautiful sumac rice is ready. Just look at these. Hey guys, welcome back. It's final part of my sumac rice. This is Rosina here. As you can see, I want to serve the sumac rice with meatballs, and I show you what it's like on the plate. Sumac rice is a dish made with plain rice that's seasoned with ground sumac berries and beetroot juice. Traditionally, it goes well with meatballs, but you can serve it with grilled meat and fish as well. This Persian sumac rice recipe is at your service. A simple and yet delicious rice recipe for lunch or dinner idea. Sumac rice is made with basmati rice, sumac powder and beetroot juice to add wonderful, beautiful ruby color. The ground sumac adds a bright and lemony flavor to your plain rice, and the flavor can vary depending on the amount of the sumac used. A light sprinkle will provide a lemony tang, and heavier sprinkle will produce more sourness. Let me tell you, my friends, go for this dish. It's absolutely delicious, and I do hope you give this one a go. This is definitely a very unique rice. These meatballs and sumac rice are so satisfying, and as you see, this is visually just stunning, and I love casual dishes like this. Rice itself is so beautifully fluffy and moist, and it's complemented with beautiful fried meatballs. You can have your favorite pickles along with this meal, like pickled onions. So give a try to this Iranian sumac rice, my friends, and I hope you will enjoy it. نوش جان or Bon appetit! See you in next one.